Yhwh 1, 3, and 4. Relate it to your children, and your children to their children, and their children to the generation after them. What the gnawing locust left, the swarming locust has eaten. And what the swarming locust left, the crawling locust has eaten. And what the crawling locust left, the consuming locust has eaten.
I'm celebrating restoration. I'm celebrating restitution. I'm celebrating recompensation of everything in my life. Restoration from Yahweh, restitution from my Father, recompensation for everything that was stolen from my life. All those years that were eaten by all kinds of locusts, they are being repaid back to me by my Father in the heavens. Restoration from Yahweh, restitution from my Father, recompensation for everything that was stolen from my life. Swarming locust, ate from me. Crawling locust, ate from me. Consuming locust, ate from me. Gnawing locust, ate from me. Restoration from Yahweh, restitution from my Father, recompensation for everything that was stolen from my life. Restoration from Yahweh, restitution from my Father, recompensation for everything that was stolen from my life. Recompensation for everything that was stolen from my life.
Restoration from Yahweh, restitution from my Father, recompensation for everything that was stolen from my life. Hallelujah. Yhwh 2, 25 to 27. Then I shall repay you the years that the swarming locust has eaten, the crawling locust and the consuming locust, and the gnawing locust, my great army which I sent among you. Then you shall eat and be satisfied, and shall praise the name of Yahweh, your Elohim, who has done with you so wondrously, and my people shall never be put to shame. And you shall know that I am in the midst of Israel, and that I am Yahweh, your Elohim, and there is no one else, and my people shall never be put to shame. Hallelujah!